Hello, my name is Dr. Kate Tulenko, the author of the book Insourced: How Importing Jobs Impacts the Healthcare Crisis Here and Abroad by Dartmouth Press. If the U.S. is to train more healthcare workers to meet its basic needs and reduce its reliance on imported healthcare workers, we have to expand our health professional schools. But how to do this? The best way is to found and expand community-based schools that train clinical workers for local needs. Evidence from every continent shows that students who are recruited and trained from underserved communities end up working in those communities. Health professional schools are also incredible economic engines. Not only do they create hundreds of jobs, but they bring in money from the students, patients, and their families. In fact, a study conducted by the Northern Ontario Medical School showed that for every dollar spent by the medical school, there was $2 of impact in the community. So to learn how your community can start a health professional school, read my book, visit our website, and sign up for one of our action newsletters. I'm Dr. Kate Tulenko. It was good to be with you today.